Hey, amazing people out there. We are back again. So, this is myself, Aditya Pramanik from College Canteen.
So I am Akhil Singh Rajput, as you already know. I come here daily to talk with
Right.
you guys. So welcome to our YouTube channel, and we have one more amazing person with us today. So we will get to know about him in a while.
Yeah. Hi Aditya, hi Akhil, hi hello
Hi,
everyone.
hi.
Hi
I,
Hey.
Pranjal. Hi,
Uh,
this is Anubhav.
that's all.
That's
The
all.
name is enough,
Because
actually.
Okay, okay. He's a famous guy, man. Let's
Right.
let's head over to like our guest.
Yeah.
Pranjal.
hi everyone, and hi
Hi.
Canteen.
Okay.
Hi, Canteen. Yeah, we are Canteen basically.
I'm happy with this live.
Okay.
Yeah,
So
me too, me too.
Pranjal will join us regularly. Like
Wow,
Yeah,
that's amazing.
yeah, he will join us regularly. There are some like break things to do as usual, but he will be pretty much regular with us. Like we are now four people who will do this live regularly.
Wow.
So we
Great
are now
to have
yeah
That's
you
great.
with us. Yeah.
yeah we are growing guys slowly. So I haven't thought like what we will discuss today. Like let's discuss one more thing of
Mhm.
improving ourselves. Like I sent something to Pranjal and Aditya too. So,
Mhm.
like one thing we are doing daily is like doing live at 11 or 11:30 o'clock. We will be talking here for 20 to 25 minutes. And one more
Mhm.
thing is like I have said
Okay.
about TED Talk videos, like one TED Talk video regularly.
Yeah.
Mhm.
So you just have to watch one TED Talk video regularly. So if you want to discuss it here, you can discuss it here. Like we are not be running out of topics.
Mhm.
And one more thing I would like to add, like I have sent the one link about essay thing to Pranjal and Aditya. Like
Yeah, me.
we have
Mhm.
to read and
yeah,
understand one essay per week. Like it's like very little thing to do, but it has great impact in our vocabulary and understanding of things. So
Definitely.
Right.
it's the essay will be around like 3,000 to 3,500 words. It will
500 words.
take
Okay.
20 to 30 minutes to read that. Like if you will read
Mhm.
slowly, and if you want to
Thoroughly, huh?
yeah, if you want to understand it, you can read 2 to 3 times. So it's enough in a 1 week. So we will add
Mhm.
little things, and we will like grow our knowledge base and all that. I
Wow.
will send you Anubhav in a
Yeah,
little bit,
sure.
and I will like add the link on
Yeah,
the
okay.
description too, so that anyone wants to see that they can see that.
Mhm. So that everyone
Okay.
can use that resource,
Yeah.
right?
So let's start with Anubhav. Like if he has saw any TED Talk video or
Uh, Today, I haven't seen any talk. I will see in night.
okay,
But uh, yesterday I saw one TED talk. Basically, it was about procrastination.
yeah.
Oh, we
I
got
think
that.
I think we saw that too.
we had that earlier.
That's good. So we can discuss.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Uh,
So
uh,
let's
can we
without
get?
discussing the TED Talk, let's get some insights about procrastination by
Procrastination,
Pranjal.
basically.
Yeah,
So he is
exactly.
our guest. He will be
Yeah, definitely.
delivering most of the things today. It's his first day. Procrastination, Pranjal, for short, I will give like we are like postponing our things we would like to do. Like yeah, I will read it from
Exactly.
tomorrow. I will do this after one day. I will do start this after 1 week, or we find even numbers or even time to get the things done. So that things we are doing.
Hmm.
Yes, how a day started as like that.
No,
Yeah,
no,
like
not like that. But
similar to that
we keep
we
on pushing things, right? Right.
like
That will do. Consider if you have some job, like you have to complete some essay writing, something like that, and you have a deadline of tomorrow 10 a.m. Okay, and you have time now, right now, like it's 11:30. So you will say, I have plenty of time, so I'll just write it in the morning, somewhere around 6 or 7. So you have pushed it, right? So this is our procrastination. Like until you have the deadline, you push it till like the very edge of the deadline. So this is all procrastination,
Like a
right?
genius. They do the things when the deadline is come.
Yeah.
Yeah, yeah. So that's procrastination.
So if you are having any thoughts about it,
Any thoughts or experience, anything?
Oh,
Hmm.
just say it. It
Sorry,
doesn't matter. Like
Give me 1 minute.
you are able to like speak it correctly. It doesn't. The first day we were like this only. Like we are unable to speak properly. So you can ask from Anubhav. Like you can, if you will watch Anubhav's first video, he was very much underconfident and all that stuff. And
hmm
we were too in our first video, but
hmm
the daily thing has made us improve a lot. Like
just be comfortable. That's it, and it
yeah,
will, eventually you will gain confidence. No problem. So
so
I think it will be easier for you to share some experience for procrastination, right? Any
okay.
experience? Hmm.
yeah, like you have done that, or you are facing problem with that. Like those
Hmm.
things can also be discussed.
So, uh,
Pranjal, you got muted actually.
I
Just unmute yourself. Okay. Fine, fine, fine. Mm-hmm. Have you started the timer, Akhil?
yeah, it is already
Okay,
started.
I again got the train thing here.
my best experience since it was 3 months ago, and
Okay.
it is a time about 6 a.m. morning,
Mm-hmm.
Okay,
and we start doing push-ups about 900 and 800,
yeah, that's huge
and
numbers.
That's huge number. That's a huge number.
yeah,
Like
yeah,
800, 900,
and
900.
and we have less time to
I
do.
will do 250.
We have about 1 hour to do 900 and more than nine. We think about to do, and we start to doing that, and and by doing we have around people we have this no, around around that people gathering there will disturb us, but we will ignore it, but it is not possible that we ignore them, you know, that sound and the
Yeah, yeah,
all they
yes,
all they
Mm-hmm.
are. So
yes,
we try to think about that push-ups and variations that we are doing in that time for that 800. So we start doing at 6 a.m. and we think that we cover it at 7 a.m. But you know that at 7 a.m. we doing about 556 like that, and
okay,
after that, we see that we have uh, 200 push-ups left. So what we do at what time it take to do, and that all. Then we think about we do this between 10 to 15 minutes, and we have or more than exercise to do. If we cannot, then our some exercise left, and we, you know, that some if left, then we our progress will not cover it at
yeah,
uh,
yeah.
without. So that take we 10 to 15 minutes we push ourselves that too much, and it have advantage and disadvantage too, the benefits, and
Yeah.
that experience was very good, and bus.
So he talked about overcoming procrastination thing. Like he could
Hmm.
said that like we will do after 30 minutes or after taking rest, or we will complete our exercise in the evening. But
Hmm.
Yeah,
but the sports guys are, they will do it now, and they will rest the thing later, or they will train themselves later more.
Right, right,
Like
right, right, right.
those are mindset of like sports persons.
Sports
So
persons, yeah, I
yeah,
can even I can
Yeah,
find them
right, right.
like more similar to uh, military guys, actually the
yeah,
soldiers.
yeah,
They're similar to them, the sports person and the soldiers. They are like they don't do procrastination. They make the things happen. Like
yeah.
they don't
They
they don't
precastinate things actually. They don't
yeah,
procrastinate. They
yeah, right,
Yeah,
precastinate things,
right,
like they
right,
will
right.
do it earlier before the time. Why, like
yeah.
they will do things
Yeah.
like they will feel hot after like 9 a.m. Like those are the reasons, like doing things. Like if we will not do this, we will not get food to eat, or we will not do this, we will not
Yeah,
get
definitely.
proper sleep. Those are the
Right, right.
things they mostly think it of.
Mhm.
So Pranjal delivered it so nicely. Like he stopped for a while, but he spoken so much clearly. Like
Very well, yeah,
yeah,
right, right.
it's good
Yeah,
to
Yeah, yeah.
exactly.
listen it from you. Yeah,
Thank you, thank you.
yeah. So Aditya, like let's get back to Anubhav. He was starting procrastination thing from the TED talk. So please Anubhav.
I want to discuss like kind of procrastinations.
Okay,
Okay,
that's good.
Yeah,
that's
like
interesting actually.
first,
Fine.
first is all about the deadline.
Okay,
Happens in deadline. Then second one happens based on basically situation.
okay,
So those who those who are happen because of deadline, they are short terms. Like when we are working on a project,
okay,
if our boss set the deadline to complete it after 2 days or after 3 days, it's depend upon them. But at that time we have some kind of fear or panic in
oh,
which we are work, and some kind of I think we haven't take rest while we are completing our project
Mhm.
properly.
yeah,
So that kind of procrastination. Second one is about when we have no deadlines,
okay,
Okay,
when we have no deadline, like a kind of a startup or outside of career, outside anything outside of the career. These are also, but they are not quite like they are not uh, visible visible for instant. They are
okay.
quite visible sometimes long
Yeah,
term, basically
yeah.
because
yeah,
of
They
long term.
basically
affect us in a but
hmm, hmm, hmm. Like
Yeah.
I always think about learning guitar, right? And yeah, I
Yeah.
have learned few chords and how to hold it properly, but I always procrastinate. Like I will, yeah, learn it in a week or something like that. I always push it, further and further and further. So that is something like the second
Like the same
type
thing.
of procrastination you said, right?
Yeah.
Which
Yeah,
works in long
exactly,
term,
exactly.
which we don't have any
I
deadline, but
want to. Yeah, yeah. Like I want to improve in me. I want to improve in chess. So I play daily and started to learn something new. But
basically in
that
this category,
does not have a deadline, right?
right, right, right,
Yeah.
right, right.
So
So
that kind
basically,
of
I think in
procrastination is in second part. Yeah.
so basically, I think in this
Yeah, yeah.
category, most of the hobbies or something like that stuffs,
Yeah, exactly.
these are the part of these categories. Like we don't have any deadline in this.
yeah,
So
the second type
Yeah.
of procrastination comes on the things we have which are like too personal for us. Like
hmm,
it doesn't
Yeah,
impact
exactly.
anyone else actually. So
right, right, right.
the things which we want to learn, which we want to know, and which directly affects ourselves. So those are
Hmm,
the things which we like procrastinate in the second type. But in the first
right.
type, you don't have actually like
Exactly.
it is on your name actually. Like
It's the commitments. Actually, you
yeah,
have made
commitment.
commitments.
Yeah,
Yeah,
it
exactly.
can hamper your growth, and it can hamper your name and fame,
Hmm,
and you will not earn some rewards on it. So rewards and
hmm,
those things are
Hmm.
the things which are pushing to do those things.
hmm.
And the
Exactly.
procrastination is
They
thing
adds
is
motivation,
yeah, the
basically.
procrastination thing is not actually bad at every time. Like,
Yeah, in context of like this TED video, they actually said that the people who procrastinates, they're actually very creative. Like
Exactly.
think it as like you are working at the very edge moment, like you have to deliver it somewhere around 1 hour or something like that. So you have to be very creative, like how you will optimize the things so that it you can just get it done by half an hour, and after that you can just present it. So it actually yeah, I'm just speaking in context of TED video. So
yeah,
That
basically those
that
people
videos
are
are
creative. Mhm.
like you can think this like if procrastination is a signal from brain, which yeah, yeah, if you could think that and take in a positive way, like you are not
Mhm.
willing to work is and you will not deliver your 100% sometimes,
Right, right,
like you
right.
are not willing to
Exactly.
do this. Like I'm not
Mhm.
talking about the things which do not require as more of your work. Something just
Mhm.
require you just have to pull yourself and you have to start the thing.
Right.
Yeah, but sometimes things
exactly.
require more your concentration, more your focus, and so
Mhm.
just let your procrastination thing do the work. Like you take little bit of time and you do it later. That will be more beneficial. But procrastinating in a series or just doing it like I will do it later, 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 the time will go off and you will just be like, oh, that's everything.
Mhm. Getting nothing at the end, right?
Yeah,
One day we will get surprise.
yeah,
So I
yeah,
think we have
exactly.
talked a lot. I think now Pranjal should, add
Yeah,
something.
exactly.
After listening the type one, type two, what are your thoughts about that?
Mm, mm,
So you think until about talks after it. Like you think about type 1 and type 2, you frame your sentence and all these things. It's newer for you,
Hmm.
so that's why you are taking little bit time. Like
Time,
it's
yeah.
very sudden, man. Like you just uh, come from nowhere and you start talking about procrastination and
Yeah,
all that
exactly.
stuff. People prepare for it in days and hours to speak it out. And so basically
Yeah.
the thing is like we are throwing like random topics and we are not preparing. It is just to make sure that you come up with your own thoughts in English actually.
Hmm.
Like preparing the things makes the thing more easier to
Scripted,
yeah,
more
more
prepared. Yeah,
easier to
right.
say.
Hmm.
We are
Exactly.
here like no script, no preparation, just throw the bombs. Like just have a
Hmm.
rough figure and you will have to sketch it out from there.
Yeah, basically that actually slows up our, conversation. So we are just trying to break that. Like we are just want us to be more spontaneous.
Yeah, don't remember anything, just say
Hmm.
whatever you are coming.
Hmm. Okay, that's what we get.
Yeah, it's signal.
After.
So, how's your health?
Yeah, Pranjal.
going do good.
Are you exercising now, like
Have
little bit or not?
Have you facing Pranjal? Have you facing any kind of health issue?
Mm,
No, actually not. He's not facing any health. It's just a cough thing.
Okay.
He's in his
Hmm.
village actually.
Okay.
He's not in his home.
Okay.
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 Yeah, Aditya, if you remember the pillar, he's
Yeah,
sitting in front of.
I do
So
remember that.
yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. So you will remember the things. Like it was nice when we visited his
Definitely, man.
village.
Yes, we enjoyed a lot actually. And
Name of your village, Pranjal?
Sakarra.
yeah, yeah,
Yeah,
right.
yeah, let's talk about your village. Like you can talk about your village
How
for 5 minutes.
how far from Bilaspur or our university?
It's half an hour, man. He always
You are
ran back to his
why you
village.
are speaking like Pranjal have to speak. Why you are sketching too
Okay,
much?
okay, okay, okay. I'm muting myself.
I am asking to Pranjal and you are answering the question.
Yeah, you can ask what
Yeah, actually I want ask like, how far from our university your village?
about 30 kilometer, around 30
30
kilometer.
kilometer. How much time will it take if I
It
want to go?
it depends on you totally.
like
The path is same for everyone,
But
right?
average time is about 45 minutes.
okay, okay.
Yeah.
So tell us, like one thing you remember about your village, like it was existed earlier, but now due to development monster, there's it is not there now. Like
Hmm.
what was the difference you see? Like Pranjal was in village when he's a small child. So
Okay.
and they might,
Sure.
yeah. So at the age that he remembers some things. So let's compare your village of that time and of now. So that will be like a better topic to discuss with.
Exactly.
So, but so topic is about my memory, child memory.
Yeah, like
Yeah, basically how
yeah,
the things are different. Like,
like in your village, what do you see the difference of after 5 to 10 years in any context you can say?
Right, right, right. So, so 10 year ago, I
mhm.
start from like 10 year ago, no, 10 year ago about.
Don't like focus on so much on the
Date and
data part.
time.
So
Yes.
let's just run random numbers like
13 year ago. Let's
okay,
start from 13 year
yeah,
ago.
Okay.
Uh, 13.
13 years ago, you must be 7.
yeah, like that.
World Cup 2007.
Okay.
Okay, great.
Okay.
So, so it's about so we started like seasons. So this time summer seasons.
Okay,
So
Mhm.
when we are in village, there is only one transformer and there is not stations, matlab transformer stations.
yeah,
That
Okay.
so the lights, matlab the lights wiring come from apart from this block,
Strict.
right? No, block. Sorry, block.
Okay. Okay.
So
Okay, it's far from
so
your village, right?
right, right.
Hmm.
So uh, when light क्या बोलना चाहिए?
when electricity goes off.
When light cut off
Mhm.
at that time, then about 1 week, 2 week, weeks uh, just pass without light
Electricity.
Yeah,
at that
Oh,
time, electricity at that time, and
that's terrible.
matlab we
Mhm.
stayed that time with this matlab problems, and we don't we survived at that time very good, and but at this time if
Mhm.
our electricity cut off for 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hour, and uh,
Like
we
you don't, you sir,
we
what
take
we can
ourselves
say.
like one there is a one room and there is no oxygens, like that we feel.
that's
Exactly.
smart analogy.
uh, yeah,
Smart.
and if rainy season comes, then you know that the our roads were with fully muddy and like that. So we happy with that that time with that moment. But at now we if somebody and something like at rainy season with our dresses means
Yeah, gets
what
dirty.
so we side with that
Yeah, we
you
just
know,
get made out of it.
uh,
Like who had done it? Why this is like we are start abusing government and everyone else in the
yeah,
yeah.
right, right.
Yeah, so
And
basically I can sketch out.
and the best moment is about winter season, and
Yeah.
when we are child we made some crafts or cards
Okay.
with, and we go for woods, and we collect it for morning about 4 a.m. And
That's good. Yeah.
so in winter season, I think our क्या बोलना,
Bonfire. Are you speaking
grains
about?
cultivated at that time.
Yeah, the
Okay.
crops
uh,
get
Yeah. Yeah.
cultivated off. Yes.
Cultivated. So at that time at 4 to 5 between we go our uh, क्या बोलना,
Farming
Field,
area,
field,
right?
field.
farming
Fields.
area or plot
Yeah, field,
areas,
field. You can say field.
Field. Fields. Fields.
for giving a cup of tea and chai, you know.
Yeah,
To your elders.
yeah.
Okay.
Chai is nice. Like you just have to use tea. Chai is okay.
Yeah, it
And
adds essence.
essence. So at the 13 year ago, in village very different movements and environment,
Mhm.
and around our homes, many neighbors, many good neighbors in here, and they sell their homes, and they live from apart from village, and outside from village, and we come like this time, and we think about that time that he is from these homes and he is not here, and
Okay.
we remember about our memories, and
Hmm.
if he
Feel
is here,
nostalgic. Hmm.
if he is in present, he if he is here, so what was right now our memories, matlab,
Hmm.
made memories that.
Right. Right. Right.
So many things change, and many like lots of things
Yeah, the
change.
time changes everything. Yeah,
Yeah.
Akhil is having his quarter.
yeah. I do it regular basis. Like one of the best, one of the fastest way to learn English is to have a quarter in Chhattisgarh. Yeah,
And I have heard nowadays it's been sold online.
yeah. It's home delivery because
Deliver.
people are giving interviews from their home, so they will speak English at their home. Like having a half quarter, they start speaking. They belong from like foreign. Like they
Yeah,
really behave
right.
like they are the descendants of the Britishers of that time.
Wow. So
That's
that's
good.
really nice. We had like some experience about Pranjal's village, like
Yeah,
how it was before and how it's now,
yeah,
and
and
all the
and
nostalgic parts.
main part is that at that time we played many things, physical activities, games.
Yeah, yeah, yeah,
Exactly,
yeah,
So
bro.
that is very important for
yeah.
from right now,
yeah.
matlab
I can
present.
actually feel you.
uh,
Yeah,
and
we are at that like generation who played gilli danda, kukudi,
Gilli Danda, yeah,
Hmm.
right.
Yeah,
kho kho.
We are
exactly.
actually more engaged in physical activities
I think we
Marbles,
rather than
played.
just
marbles.
sitting in home.
We are last that played all the games.
Yeah,
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 I
yeah,
think I also think that. Yeah, we
Yeah,
Mm,
are we are the last ones to
yeah.
play those
We are
things.
the transition. We are the transition generation.
Phase. Right, right, right. So,
in our generation, like
mhm,
from our generation,
mhm,
like next one generation,
mhm.
those people, I think, don't they even they don't play like marbles or gilli danda,
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah,
baseball
actually,
kind of
they
thing.
don't know about these things. I think
Yeah,
Yeah,
exactly.
they might have
they haven't
one
got
of.
enough time. I like technology advance, the things get advanced, people get
Mm-hmm.
richer. So those games,
Mm,
like the sale of those things are also get reduced. The
right,
awareness
right,
about
right.
those games get reduced. Like they are introduced
Mm-hmm.
more of cricket thing. Like cricket is
Yeah,
like
exactly.
it has a huge impact on the game. Like
Hmm.
I know cricket
Basically,
is good game, but actually I think what about cricket is it takes like more of your time, and you
hmm.
don't
Yeah,
get
exactly.
involved in more of the things like people in the cricket actually play football and other things to stay their fitness to maintain their fitness.
Right.
Exactly.
So basically, I can broadly say that globalization actually have changed much of the things. Like all the all the sports or the place we are talking about. There might be a reason for globalization. Might be a reason for them. Like
Yes.
due to that, it has just vanished off or washed off.
Yeah.
Maybe.
So
So I
whatever
think
are
we
the
have
reasons?
20. I think we have half an hour in our session. Like we have done
Yeah.
half an hour in
So
the session.
wrap it
Let us just.
fast.
Yeah, let's just conclude it. What say, Pranjal, Anubhav?
Yeah, sure, Adi.
So I think today let's Anubhav make the conclusion,
Yeah.
or Pranjal, who?
Okay.
Anubhav.
Anubhav, okay.
Okay, so in that session, firstly we welcomed Pranjal.
Mm-hmm.
Then we discuss something about Pranjal, right?
Yeah.
Then we have a discussion on procrastination, kind of procrastination.
Mm-hmm.
After
Right.
that, we again come to Pranjal and discuss the thing which are related to their villages,
Yeah.
how
Mm-hmm.
how villages are previous 10 years, and how in present day how they are looking, what changes are comes, we discussed. I think that's it.
That's it.
Yeah,
Yeah.
it was a small and nice session with Pranjal, and we will be looking to many more great sessions later on. And we are discussing, we are like planning to increase the time in June. Like there will be no of our classes, so we will do it twice a day.
Hmm. Definitely.
Yeah, exactly.
Gotcha.
So let's
So
bye bye to
wrap
everyone.
it. I think.
Let's say bye bye to everyone.
Yeah. Bye.
Yeah,
Bye.
don't actually
Bye bye.
don't exit the meet. I'm just stopping the screen.
Yeah.
Yeah, sure.